This right here is probably the easiest service call any technician gets. Got a brand new home, 2 systems, one there, upstairs, downstairs, doesn't really matter. Quick check. Ducting looks good. Not a fan of the black mylar or the black vinyl installation, but it works. And as usual, go through the stuff left over from installation. Oh yeah, there's some stuff I'm taking there. Return from the system coming down right in front of the coil. Not a huge deal. Trains look good. Oh, gas valve turned off. Turn that back on. That might help. And turn this next gas valve on. Probably work. I mean, far from me to gripe about everyone else's stuff, but I always thought the gas company set the meter, did a leak down check, fired off all the appliances, but I guess it's too much work. Time to grab a ladder, haul it up, and test up. A Schrader valve tool. Oh, that's definitely going in my bag. Yeah, you didn't see that. So, well, let's go ahead and turn these on and watch them fire up. I'll check the inside of the burner compartments, make sure the interior gas valve is turned on, and here's something that not a lot of people like to hear. That is actually called a gas cock, but put in conjunction with that 3-foot nipple that connects to the furnace. Yeah, a lot of people don't like those words, but it's proper, and it's just what it is. The other system already fired up and running. This one, I'm going to check to see the gas valves in the opposition, so let's go ahead and see how this works. Okay, the inducer fired up. Pressure switch here is going to prove. Any moment now, I'm sure. Come on, baby, don't let me. Oh, okay, don't let me down. There we go. We got hot starts igniter. The upper portion of the burner. It rolls across. Flame sensor there on that lower burner. We've got the DC voltage to ground. We have a successful heat sequence going. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like it. Just that fan in about half a minute or so. That looks pretty good. Flexible vent connector, not the ideal situation I look for, but certainly adequate. Approved draft. And I want that. Take that little piece of wire. It's got a spade connector on the bottom of it. Sometimes a little hard to get out, but it's got a spade with a piggyback on it. I save these things for when I do zone systems. Really helpful. Really good. No apparent problems over here. Everything looks good. I'm running for a good 5 or so. Works really well with the gas valve on. And there it goes again. Not my best idea of a vent connection, but it'll work. Certainly not the work I would have done. leftover deck strap. I think I'll take that with me. The sequence looks good. Fan's running. We're heating. Stick a fork in it. This service call is done. Easiest one ever. One other thing I noticed, and kind of let the installer know that's a good idea. This furnace, even though it's 40 inches long, the bulk of the weight is pretty much from here in the heat exchanger back to about here, where the blower actually hangs on that divider between the burner and blower compartments. And he put his furnace stand just a little bit past that. Very well balanced, and it also minimizes the possibility that if you put that furnace stand over here at the end, one of the weakest points on this furnace is right at that middle. If someone leans on it, that furnace will actually sag. So he's minimized that. So I need to find out who this installer is and put him on my Christmas card list. That was nice. That was nice. Good job.